Welcome viewers. You are watching YouTube channel Albaro e-money. In this short video, I am going to tell you how to earn online without investment. You will start by taking these 6 websites to get started in earning money. I have researched myself, Alhamdulillah, working with these websites my own for 5 or 6 months, and have withdrawn money from each website I have been, and after experiencing on it, I have decided to give it to you as a starting gift. Work is simple and easy. Withdraw is 100%, no scam or fake things. I have personally experienced and then decided to share with everyone to make money online without any hassle. If you start earning from this video, I will be glad to know. Awareness should be given so that those who cannot invest can work without investment. If you want, these are the best websites for them. By investing your time only on them, you can earn in it just by investing time without investing even a single penny. And which websites are these? I will tell you in the same video. Before that, let me clear one thing, that my YouTube channel is some kind of promotion, not for promoting someone else's website, not for self-promotion even, and is not the same as other YouTubers who tells a lie for their own promotion and to get views too. Let's move to the countdown of websites. Website number 6, Faucet. The interface is shown here. Website number 5, Faucet, one and only auto faucet website. Website number 4 is ADBTC, the website working since a long time. Website number 3 is Coinbase. The website gives minimum amount and limitless withdrawals. Website number 2 is cryptocurrencies, is worthly website to stake and earn profit. Website number 1, Confula, the most famous in earning 100% profit on earning. Links of all websites are given in description. Copy the link and paste in Google to reach the exact website. I hope you got the most beneficial information to start your earning. In next video, we will provide step-by-step detailed video on each website. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.